hard to stretch? Well, we have got a way to make your slime stretchy. We've got two options for you guys. One is an option that you need an ingredient for. The second option is a much easier one, much quicker, and you don't need an ingredient. So, the first one is you can add some soap, and then it'll make it more stretchy. Sometimes it doesn't work. It depends on what kind of hand wash slash soap you use. And the second one is you just do this for about 30 seconds to a minute, and it will work. It will definitely work. We do it with all our slimes. So I'll be back with you when I've done this for 1 minute. We're back, and this slime is stretchy now. I showed you before where it wasn't stretchy at all, but now it is. And this video was made all for you guys to help you with your slimes, and please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and even if you're generous or if you love our channel, even subscribe, because I'm telling you, we'll be posting more Satisfy slime videos, more tutorials, and more fix-it videos. Thank you for listening, and thank you all for subscribing, liking, commenting, everything that you do for us. So thank you very much, and goodbye. Thank you for listening to x.slime_world.x.